Yep, biggest snow of the year. They say we're gonna get in feet, but we'll see what happens. Just figure I'd make a quick vid. This is gonna be our top 15 storms, so we'll see how many feet we have by tomorrow at this time. Gonna be interesting. Already got about an inch. It's been snowing for a few hours. I don't know how well you can tell. It's coming down pretty good. Yes, it is. It's coming down really, really good. Yep. It's a cold north wind. Yep, lots and lots of it in the light. See about an inch now, so let's see what happens. Alright, peace.